Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the special requirements on the Austrian application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and then tap on the plan button and click on special requirements. After that, scroll down and here you can read about accessible travel. Tap on this subcategory and here you can read about it. If you want to select a category, you can do so. You have this is how to book your flight article, passengers with a wheelchair, services, passengers with impaired sensory perception, handicapped equipment on board, accompanying person, and so on. So you have a bunch of things that you can read about. So tap on the relevant one that concerns you, and here you can get to know the special requirements in more detail. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.